sledding. Yay.
We have to take our mushing 101 class first.
Right. We have to learn how to mush.
Welcome to
The town of Good View.
Eagle Lake. Almost there? We there yet?
We're here. We're at the lake. 7 minutes.
Okay. We're getting close. Lugdon Lodge.
Hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, dog sled, blah, 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 blah.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. You ready to go? Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, puppy. I know, I told ya. We're gonna get our puppy fix. I think they're ready to go. Are you going with us? You going with us?
We bring it on this side. This is Quest. We had an archery camp, and as a pup, he ran around and he had a big arrow on his back. And there's a bow, a brand of bows called Quest.
Oh, really?
You good, Mom? This is Clyde. And his sister Bonnie is coming. Right there. So, if you want to put the stuff, just make sure it comes through. It helps to hold everything together.
Yeah, you'll be good. You'll be good.
Hi, puppy. Are you there? Get it out! Oh, you got it on? Hold on, we got a big hurt. Holy crap! She said hold on! Big turn.
Lean into it.
They're so fast! Faster than the snowmobile! Don't yet.
What?
Don't yet.
Why?
Because we got a road. Yeah, keep it down a little bit. All right, whoever's in the sled first, go.
You want me to hold that or you good?
Take pictures if you want. It's on auto. So are we inside?
Yeah, right there. Hike. Easy, easy, easy. Hike.
Lens cover.
Like right now, Tundra is on the wrong side of the line, but he'll fix that. It's not around his leg. And if he doesn't jump out of it soon, then we'll stop just so it doesn't rub his back. So right now, my feet are on the runners.
Yep.
I'm going to actually pedal just a little bit. I've got one foot on the left runner and my right foot is in between. I can also see how it's going that
I feel
way.
it. Yeah.
Now I'm putting my weight over here and I'm pedaling over here. And I actually have my right foot outside the runner so I can help pull. Here's my foot. There's it. And help pedal. I'm going to probably...
and this is where you'll take over.
Okay.
Whoa, Huskies! Whoa! Oh, no, you know what? Yes, we will. Do you see how there's a road to the right up here?
Yep.
And actually, I'll have to stay in because Jen didn't know we were stopping. There's a road to the right. We're not taking it, so we're gonna yell on by when we get to it, and maybe they'll go.
Whoa. Wow.
On by! On by! On by! On by! On by! Good Huskies!
Wow.
Good Huskies! And now we just want to pedal or run. Probably run. If you can. I'm going to jump off! I'm going to jump off, Shannon! And whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, you're heavy on the brake, right?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Anytime you get like this, you're heavy.
Whoa! I didn't expect they took it. Okay,
What you doing?
I was on the brake. I let go. Knocked me right off. Okay, now I'm holding
hang
on. I'm holding on now.
Okay, hang on. I hope you got that on camera.
I'm sure I did.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, you're loose, dog.
Oh, stop. Good catch.
Have you got them?
Yep,
Brake.
I'm on the brake.
Hike, hike, hike.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Hold on.
Woohoo!
Yeah, she's okay. She loves this stuff.
Okay.
She's a trooper.
That eagle leg on.
How was that?
Awesome.
Is the GoPro still on?
Yep,
Sweet.
I think. Let me see. Yeah.
You see the moose tracks?
Yeah. Oh, this is awesome.
You did good.
Huh?
You did good.
Yeah.
Mush, mush.
Hey, some break. Get low, get low.
On by, on by, on by, on by.
There you go. Good job.
Hey, you're supposed to be the one not falling.
Just a minute, guys. Yeah, we're ready. If you jump right on,
All right, jump in here.
jump in back again.
While we make the turn and on the snowmobile trail.
You're gonna get hurt.
Get in.
No, not bad.
Get in.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Am I still recording?
Yes. I got him doing that. With you on it. They said don't be afraid to use the brake.
I didn't want to use the brake. I did okay, I think.
You did good. She was like, woohoo! I have your lens in my...
Good lens cover.
Ah. Come on! 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 Come on!
They're loving it.
I want to give you my camera or my phone so
Why?
you can video.
on, the GoPro on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're up. Have fun.
Don't get off the trail and go.
Don't step off the trail.
If you look in there, you can see moose tracks.
Come on.
Good job, Pack. So good.
That was awesome. I've got a lot of editing to do. We videoed the entire trip on the dog sled.
What?
So, what's this? Lugdon Lodge.
They do a lot more than just dog sledding too, so.
If you're ever up in this area, I recommend checking this place out. And we saw a ton of moose tracks, but not one moose. Probably if we slow down and walk.
The thing is, though, if we saw the moose, sorry for interrupting,
Yeah,
but if we saw it, the dogs would have been,
Yeah.
it would have been bad.
They said
That's what they said.
we saw a moose, they might have to shoot it. And they only had 4 bullets.
And moose is too big for
Yeah.
that, I think.
Yeah. But anyway,
No, it
that was way
amazing.
cool.
Yeah, awesome. I
Awesome.
loved it. I was like a natural.
Yeah, you're a dog sledder by
Dog sled natural.
heart. Yep. You're natural at everything.
It was so fun.
It was like peaceful. Like it was so quiet.
Yeah.
Cool.
Better, actually, I said it was better than snowmobiling.
Yeah, it was.
You're not going as fast, but you're like cruising.
And
nice
it's
through
it's
the
like hang
woods.
gliding, peaceful.
Yeah, it was peaceful.
Way
Well, I
easier.
would go like bend my knee and then hold on
Yeah.
a little bit and then hit the brake and go down the hill
Yeah.
and keep it tight
Yeah.
and then release it and they just go.
Yeah.
They just wanted
They
to
knocked
go.
me right off that one time. I let go to adjust my hat and they took off. Threw me right off the
You
back.
can't not hold on. That's for
I wasn't
sure.
ready yet.
Well, they're ready. They're barking and
know,
ready
I know.
all the time.
I know.
I want to
know.
go more.
I know. So
Well,
do
when
I.
they said, "Do you want to change?" I'm like, "I'm good. I wanted to go more." Like you didn't
Yeah.
care, did you? I
No.
kind of took your
Well,
spot.
on the way back when they stopped, she asked if we wanted to switch, and I said, "Let you go."
Yeah. I was like, I'm good.
Yeah, that one point she's like, "Is she all right? Was she yell if she needs anything?" I'm like, "She's fine."
That's what they said to you about you too, the same thing. And I'm like, he's fine. And they're like, that's what he said about you.